let's write it. F of s equal to 1 divided by this is s into s plus 1 plus 2 into s plus 3. All right. So whenever we have such a proper fraction available, right, the one of the method that you can apply is called as the partial fraction method. So let us try to call this as a divided by s plus b divided by s plus 1, c by s plus 2 plus d by s plus 3. Our first objective being identifying what is a, b, c, and d. So in order to find a, again, so the partial fractions can be solved in many methods. I feel the one which I'm going to use now is the easiest, right? So I'll stick to that. So if at all you want to find the first uh, constant, that is a, remove whatever is the denominator from the main function. So the main function is 1 divided by, I'll not write s because I'm trying to find the coefficient near that 1 by s. So remaining term I'll write, that is s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3, and we'll put s equal to 0 because I don't want this denominator. So that vanishes if you put s equal to 0. Okay, so that means this is equal to 1 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, right? So a is equal to 1 by 6. Let's find b now. So b is equal to, this is 1 divided by, I write s now, I'm not writing s plus 1, so s plus 2 into s plus 3. Now you are going to put s is equal to minus 1 because I have to eliminate this particular denominator. S plus 1 should become 0 means you put s equal to minus 1, right? So like that we will calculate the value. So this is equal to, now numerator is 1 divided by, this is s. So s is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2, so plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3, so that is equal to 2, right? So the answer is minus half, that is b. Similarly, let's find c. C is equal to 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into, I'll not write s plus 2, so this is s plus 3. Put s is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2 into minus 1 into plus 1. So this is plus half. Okay, then let's do for d. D is equal to 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So to cancel the last denominator, I'm going to put minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Into minus 3 plus 2, it is also minus. So minus into minus is negative 1 by 6. Right. Therefore, f of s can be written after substituting the values of constants. Right. So f of s is equal to, the first term is 1 by 6 times by s. The next term is negative minus 1 by 2 times. This is 1 divided by s plus 1. Then we have plus half into 1 by s plus 2. The last one is minus 1 by 6 into 1 by s plus 3. Right? Directly we can apply the L inverse because they are in the standard form. So f of g becomes equal to, it's 1 by s. 1 by s is 1. So you will write simply 1 by 6. Okay, and the second term minus 1 by 2. So s plus 1 e to the power minus t, right? Plus half, s plus 2 is there in the denominator, so e to the power minus 2t. Minus 1 by 6, this is e to the power minus 3t is the required answer. right, so after that we will solve this question. So f of s is equal to 2s squared plus 5s plus 4 divided by uh, s cubed plus s squared minus 2s. So we'll be using the calculator. Directly calculator is going to give me the answers for the roots of this equation. All right, so put the calculator into the equations mode, and it's going to ask what are the values of a, b, and c and d. So coefficient of the highest power is a, that is 1. So this is a, so a equal to 1. I'm going to enter that in the calculator. Then it also asks what is b, that is 1. What is c? It is minus 2. And plus 0, that's a constant there, that will be the d. Okay, so you enter that in your calculator, and after d you press equal to. Okay, so when we do that we get the roots. So I'll tell you how to write the roots now. So let me write the numerator first. 2s squared plus 5s plus 4 divided by, the first root is 0. It says that there are three roots, x1, x2, x3, because highest power is 3, right? So we have to get three roots of that equation. So first root is 0. So it is s minus 0. Whatever you get there, you will write it's negative. So s plus or minus 0 doesn't matter. So first root is s. Okay. And I'm getting the second answer as plus 1. So that means the root is plus 1. Take this 1 to the other side, it becomes s minus 1. That is my second factor. All right. And now when I press enter further, my calculator says that the s is equal to minus 2. So take the minus 2 to other side, this becomes s plus 2. That is my factor. So that's how you get three factors. Okay, we don't have to solve manually, right? Everything, simply put it into the calculator, get the roots. Okay, right? So now you see it is in the product format. So as soon as you get something in the product format, what you do, you split this. So a divided by the first root, sorry, first factor. Yes. So plus b divided by the second factor, that is s minus 1, plus c divided by the third factor, that is s plus 2. So this is the f of s. Now you find out the values of a, b, c like we did in the previous one. So I don't have an answer, let's verify. But I have a doubt in that value. You say that, I'll just write here what you are saying. It's a is equal to minus 1 by 4, right? Let's verify. So in order to calculate a, what I do, I write the numerator as it is. So 2s squared plus 5s plus 4. And in the denominator only, I'll do the I'll remove that term. So one is s plus 2 and the other one is s minus 1. Put s equal to 0. Correct? Okay. All right. So one of the b value is s plus 1 or s minus 1. I think s minus 1, right? So this is, I think, okay. So you didn't verify? All right. No problem. So just substitute. Okay. Now you put s equal to 0. So what happens now? Numerator is, you have to, right? Minus 2. Okay. All right. So maybe that was, so okay, proceed. Like that, you calculate B and C. So you are saying that B will be 11 by 3. Fine. So C is equal to, 1 by 3. So substitute to get the f of s. All right, f of s is equal to minus 2 by s. Next number is plus 11 by 3 divided by s minus 1, and minus 1 by 3 divided by s plus 2. Take the inverse directly. What happens when you get the inverse? This is minus 2 itself, then plus 11 by 3 e to the power t minus 1 by 3 e to the minus 2t. That's the required answer. Okay. All right. Let me move ahead. Yeah, sure, sure. Please take your time. So this is an expression. Find the inverse Laplace transform of the following. Is f of s is equal to s square divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 4. Put the s square is equal to u and try to solve this. Now, let's see. So this is what I'm going to get. I'll call this by, I can split this now. So a by, this is u plus 1 plus b divided by, say, u plus 4. Okay, so now calculate what is a. A is equal to, it's u divided by u plus 4 such that u equal to minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 4, right? That is 3. Similarly, b is equal to u divided by u plus 1, u equal to minus 4, right? So that is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus 1. So that is equal to minus 3. So 4 by 3. Okay. Once you get the values, you'll put the s square back. Anyway, I got a a, right? So this implies f of s is equal to a, which is minus 1 by 3 divided by u plus 1, so s square plus 1, plus 4 by 3 divided by s square plus 4. Isn't it? Now that is f of s. So take f of t. Therefore, f of t should be equal to the minus 1 by 3. I'll take it out. This is simply sine, right? S by s square plus a square. Sine t. Then 4 by 3 is there. I need a 4 sine 2t, isn't it? So 1 by 3, I can take that also out, correct? So plus 1 by 3 times sine 2t. That is the required answer.